Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Matthew Parker with Parker Auctions, NCAL number 9883. We're out here today at the Gulistan Carpet Factory, the old Gulistan Carpet Factory, because we're doing a liquidation sale at the plant here. Our address is 3140 North Carolina Highway 5, about 1 mile past US 1 going towards Pinehurst. That's where the Gulistan plant is. That's where the auction is going to be. One of the things I want to show you that we'll be selling on Saturday, February 3rd at 10 o'clock in the morning, starting then, is this huge array of pallet racking that we have running down this side of the building. We have even more than what you can see here. We'll be selling this by the section. You can take as many sections as you want. You can see this is 4 feet high. We have some sections down here that's 8 feet high. We also have some that go up as high as 16 feet, depending on what you want. We will have a lot of sections of it here. You can see what we have. This is great for anything, for storing whatever you want on it and putting pallets on it. You can adjust the height of the racks. And again, we'll be selling it by the section. Starting on February the 3rd, the whole auction will start at 10 o'clock in the morning. We hope to see you out there. Again, my name is Matthew Parker from Parker Auctions. You can give us a call at 910-639-8115. You can also come visit us online at www.parkerauctions.com. You can also check us out at auctionzip.com. Our auctioneer ID number is 46846. Again, that's auctioneer ID number 46846. Come check us out. We hope to see you out here at Saturday, February 3rd at 10 a.m. We'll have concessions. We'll have a good time. So come see us. Hope to see you then.